In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an auto-populated grocery list in Google Sheets on desktop. By the end, you'll have a smart list that updates itself to show only what you still need to buy, making shopping faster and more organized. Start by opening Google Sheets and creating a new blank spreadsheet. Think of this as your master list. In the first row, set up your headers: item, category, quantity, and purchased. Item is the name of the grocery. Category helps you group things like produce, dairy, or pantry. Quantity is how much you need, and purchased is where you'll mark items you've already bought. Enter your full list of grocery items in the item column, one per row starting under the header. Keep categories consistent, so sorting later is clean. Use the same wording each time. Fill in quantity with whatever makes sense to you, like numbers or units. You can add items as they come to mind. This master sheet is your complete source of truth. For tracking what you've already picked up, use the purchased column. You can add checkboxes here, which is a simple and visual way to mark things done. When checked, the cell reads true. When unchecked, it's false. If you prefer, you can use a helper column with words like yes or no, but the checkbox method pairs perfectly with the formula we'll use next. Now create your auto-populated list in another sheet or a clear section below. In a cell where you want the live list to begin, enter a formula like each filter A2, A100, D2, D100 is false. This tells Sheets to show only the items from the item column where purchased is not checked. Adjust the row numbers to fit your list size. If you want to sort by category later, include the category in the filtered range by using each filter A2, B100, D2, D100 bans false, so both item and category appear together. Once your filtered list is showing only items not yet purchased, sort or group it by category for easier shopping. You can do this with the built-in sort tools, so similar items are clustered together in the order you prefer. That way, you can walk through the store section by section without backtracking. And that's how you create an auto-populated grocery list in Google Sheets on desktop. Update your master list anytime, check items off as you buy them, and let the filtered list do the heavy lifting. Happy organizing and even happier shopping.